Great day here on Hippopotamus Farm. I just let out the chickens. I give them some time to free range in the afternoons. I checked on the cows. They all look pretty happy, content. They're just laying there chewing their cud. It's a nice cloudy day this morning. We expect some rain this afternoon. So I just came out to check things out, check over the chickens and the cows. The garden we got in just a few days ago. Already some radishes are starting to sprout. So things are going well in our first week on Hippopotamus Farm. I think the cows sense the rain, so they've come up here, up underneath the trees. They're just laying there chewing the cud. So I think they sense the rain and they come up close to the house where the thickest trees are so they can get out of the weather when it comes. So just a nice lazy day. So we put in just a few things in our garden 3 days ago. Just a few things because we only have about 65 days until the first frost. So we just put some seeds in our raised garden beds, our kitchen garden, just to see what would happen. Here's our kitchen garden. Of course, it's only been 3 days, so the only thing up so far are some radishes, but that's still encouraging. Here are the 3-day-old radishes. Good morning, kids. Goodly Grandpa here. Had a busy day yesterday. The task on my to-do list was to get a farm truck. So we went all the way into Savannah. That's about 30 minutes away. The nearest big town of about 8,000 people. And we went shopping for farm trucks. So my criteria was a used truck, something I can use on the farm without worrying about getting it dinged up. 4-wheel drive so I don't get stuck in the pastures, and it needs to be big enough to haul my tractor on a trailer, as well as maybe a livestock trailer in the future, and just big enough to overall be a good workhorse for the farm. So we went out looking for trucks. Didn't really expect to find anything, but lo and behold, we did find a truck that we thought would meet our needs. Used truck, 4-wheel drive, and we weren't sure it was going to be big enough to haul a trailer with a tractor on it, so we had to stop by the local Kubota dealer and look at tractors too. So we stopped in there and tried to explain to the tractor dealer what it was I was trying to do, and of course he took me to the biggest, most expensive tractor on the lot. Finally we settled in on a tractor that I thought would meet my needs, and determined the truck I wanted to buy would indeed haul that tractor. So we settled on a farm truck and we bought it and we drove it home last night. So kudos to Goodly Grandma, because she drove our other truck, our Honda, all the way back from Savannah by herself. And she was a little bit nervous doing that. She hadn't driven on any farm country roads. In fact, she hasn't driven for probably about a month now since we sold her Lexus. She really hasn't driven much. So she followed me on the windy country roads coming back into Saltillo, and she did a great job, and we're here safely with a truck and a backup truck, which makes me feel a lot better. Just in case one breaks down, we have another backup truck to get whatever help we might need. So I feel good about that. I feel good about the truck we purchased. So now I'll go ahead and introduce you to our newest piece of farm equipment, our farm truck. So let me introduce you to our newest piece of equipment. It's a Nissan Titan XD four-wheel drive diesel. We got a diesel because it's got better torque for hauling, so we felt like that would be a good choice for us. It was used, as I said, it had all of 68 miles on it. We think we got a pretty good deal. So this is the newest farm truck on Hippopotamus Farm. So looking forward to putting the farm truck to work. Got a lot of things to do today, but not for the truck. Next thing on my list, mow the lawn. So I understand I'm a grown man and a farmer, and I've never in my life operated a ride-on mower, especially a zero-turn model. So don't judge, but this should be funny.